Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 6th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. The only data to be released came from the US. It was the private sector non-farm employment change, and that job numbers came in better than forecasted at 195,000 jobs. And also later in that evening, we had the crude oil inventories, which came in at negative 4.8 million barrels. Now, US dollar did have a bit of a gain against the Japanese yen, lost a bit of ground against the Aussie, a commodity currency, but essentially for the US dollar, it's all about tonight as we prepare for non-farm payrolls, and I'll talk about that in a moment. Let us now jump into our chart of the day, as that was all the data that was released yesterday. The chart that I found for us this morning is the Aussie Japanese yen on a daily time scale. Now you can see from the chart showing that we are clearly in downtrend and the market has just now recently pulled back. So what I'm naturally looking for on this pullback is now I would like to see some kind of a reversal pattern on the pullback, which would indicate continuation back down in the downtrend. So this little candle that I'm pointing at is this morning's candle. It's about 1 hour into formation. Should that remain as an inside candle and give us a pattern, a reversal pattern that we're looking for, well then we'll be set and ready to place our pending orders on Monday. So add this one to your hot list. Aussie yen on a daily time scale is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what's happening for the session, the final session of the week? It's a big session, particularly if you trade the US CAD pair as a combination. We have at 10:30 tonight from Canada the employment change and the unemployment rate numbers due out at 10:30, and at the same exact time we have non-farm payrolls. We have the unemployment rate, the job numbers, and the average hourly earnings. Now, for those of you who are newer to the Forex and currency markets, this is probably the headline data event for the month. It's usually the most volatile and the most anticipated data release. So if you are not familiar with trading around these particular news, stay away from it and just watch it from the sideline. Okay, just please make sure you don't get caught up in anything that you not wanting to get caught up in, as the market can be quite volatile. So that all happens at 10:30, and then finally at 2:30 in the morning from the US again, we have Fed Chair Powell due to speak. That pretty much wraps up the session. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.